Hi, and welcome to Judge Orientation and Registration Assistance for the 2024 competition year for the Ohio Academy of Science. We are so excited that you are interested in judging for one of our amazing programs, either Ohio STEP, our District Science Day, our State Science Day, or our Buckeye Science and Engineering Fair. First thing you'll need to do is visit projectboard.world/OAS. Once you're there, you should see a screen similar to what you see here. You are looking for the judging portal. So once you're there, go ahead and click on Judging Portal. If you are already registered through the Project Board platform, you can go ahead and in the upper right-hand corner, go ahead and log in using your credentials that you might have created during last year's competition season. If you are not currently registered in Project Board, no worries. As you can see, again, we have our 3 programs that you can register for. Science Day, and that includes both district and state Science Day, our STEM Entrepreneurship Program, Ohio STEP, and the Buckeye Science and Engineering Fair. If you are ready to begin, all you need to do is scroll down and click the Start button below. Some important information to remember is that District Science Day, those are going to be held in March on Saturdays in person, all except for District 18, which is a virtual fair for students that are unable to attend in person. District Science Day sponsored awards. If you are registering with an organization because you offer a sponsored award, you'll need to register through the District Science Day questions when they pop up. State Science Day judging is virtual again this year, and that will take place between April 9th and April 18th of 2024. The celebration of science will be held in person on Saturday, May 11th at Ohio State University. More information coming for those that may be interested in attending that. Our Buckeye Science and Engineering Fair, super exciting that we are going to be in person on Saturday, March 2nd, 2024 at CAS in Columbus. More information will be specifically given to those judges that register for Buckeye Science and Engineering Fair. And Ohio STEP is going to be judged virtually between March 4th and March 26th. And then also new this year, an in-person judging event on Saturday, March 26th, 2024 at Kent State University. And that is not Saturday, March 26th. That is Saturday, April 27th, 2024 at Kent State University. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do, again, says do you already have an account with Project Board, engineering.com, or Make Projects? If you do, then go ahead and log in. If you don't, then you'll need to enter the information that is given here. So we'll just go ahead and use some information. I'm going to choose a username. And a password. This is new this year. It says, are you under the age of 13? None of our judges should be under the age of 13. So go ahead and just click no. But this is something that we have to ask due to changes in Ohio's COPPA laws. We are creating a trusted and safe place. I agree to be positive and productive. Yes. If you wish to receive additional information or marketing emails, you can check that button. If not, don't worry about that and click continue. Let's see. Email's already in use. Let's try a different email. We'll use my husband's. Won't he be so excited? All right, once you are within and registered, after a couple of seconds, so just be patient, the next page for the judge application should pop up. So you can go ahead and click the information. This says county, not country. And so once you start typing, I live in Miami County, and then it should show up. And a zip code. And then you can do your phone number. And this one has a little 10-digit phone number without spaces or brackets. All right, the next page says the number of years of judging experience, highest degree attained. If you are mentoring any students, list their name. If not, just put in A. If you are related, list them. If not, just put in A. Please list the name of any professional organizations in which you are a member. If nothing, then click NA. What is the current employer? How did you hear about this opportunity? Through our newsletter or through a colleague? It's really important through Facebook or other social media. We'd love to know how you heard about this opportunity to become a judge. Which programs are you applying to judge? Please carefully select only the programs that you're interested in. So you can do all of them. So I'm interested in District Science Day, as well as State Science Day and Buckeye Science and Engineering Fair. So then you have to select your preferred category that you want to judge. We're just going to choose, and there's a whole list here. So make sure you look through them to see which ones you are interested in. Which district are you judging for? You can judge for as many district science days as you want. Please remember, all of them are in person except for District 18, and all of them will be held in March. So you can see here, there is a list of all of the district science days. So District 1 is held at Edison State Community College on Saturday, March 9th, 2024. And you can see all of the dates are located here. So that might help as you are signing up to judge an event. So again, you don't have to sign up for just one. You can, but you can also sign up for more than one. If you want to update your profile, you absolutely can. You can add a picture, you can add a Twitter username, you can add a brief bio about who you are, or you can click skip. So then you'll see this message. Thank you for expressing interest as a judge for the Ohio Academy of Science. You will be contacted soon by email with next steps. For any inquiries, please reach out to amcmurray@ohiosci.org. Please remember, if you signed up for a District Science Day, you should be receiving information directly from your District Science Day coordinators sometime in February. If you don't hear anything from them by the middle to the end of February, please contact either the Ohio Academy of Science at info@ohiosci.org or Angie McMurray, Director of Programs at amcmurray@ohiosci.org. Again, thank you so much for signing up to judge for one of our amazing programs this year. Thank you.